welcome, and I invite you to join me with some Valentine decorations. I'm trying to decorate my fireplace mantle without spending any money, so I've kind of collected some stuff around the house and came up with some neat ideas. This little fella next to me, I just did a video on. I made it out of wire hangers out of my closet and a block of wood. Oh, and some heart stickers. So what we're going to make today is, I already have this candle set that sits on my fireplace, and so I thought maybe I could incorporate it into my Valentine's decorations without actually changing the cosmetic makeup of the candle set, and so that I can use it again for different things. So here's my idea. Here's my candle set that I use. A little dusty. These do not come off, and I didn't want to glue anything to it so that it changed it, so that I can put it back the way it was in between my festive holiday decorating. So my idea was, I have this spool of, it's very thick ribbon, and so I thought maybe I could make candle sweaters out of it and basically put a sweater around it that would velcro or button, whatever you want to say, and we could take them back off when we're done. So I've got these little velcro dots that I'm going to apply to them, and we're going to see if it works. I have not tried this yet, so we're going to try it together and see if it works. I guess if it didn't work, would you see this video ever? Probably not. Or maybe, who knows. Okay, so let's see, does it really matter if they go on one side or the other, as long as they stick together? Yes, okay. So we definitely want to put two on the outside right here. We want to put two on the outside right here, and then we're going to want to put two on the inside, of course, opposites. I don't know if you call Velcro like male, female, top, bottom, whatever. Anyway, okay. So we're gonna put the soft ones on top of this, and so like I said, we're gonna want to do, so these guys will go here. We're gonna want to make sure that they actually fit on there and they go together. So oh, you know what, maybe I should stick them together first before I stick it to the other side. Oh, genius, I tell you, and that way they will for sure match up. Okay, so maybe we're only part-time blonde. Anyway, so then that would mean these, oh, and then maybe I should have done that before. I guess I'll try it out this way. Wait a second. Okay, there we go. And then before I permanently stick it on there, well, I don't know how permanent these little dots are. Okay, we're gonna do this together. So I have my little dots here. I have them both stuck together, so the sticky side's right here sticking out. And then it wouldn't look, you wouldn't see the, we would put the back part in the back, but that's kind of what it would look like. And I think they're really cute. Look at this thing. It would totally go with my Valentine's decor. Okay, let's see if we can get it off here. Oh, it came right off just perfectly. Oh, look at this. Look. Oh, I don't think you can. Oh, there they are. I don't think you can see them. Maybe? Yeah, there you can. And then, so then we just go like this. And we have a little candle sweater. Look. Okay, let's put it on. Okay, let's put it on here. Let's see. Okay. A little snug little sweater, you. Yeah. Keep our candles nice and warm. Now, I don't ever light these candles, so I don't know how well that would work, or if it would be recommended to put them on candles that you like. I never like these. They just kind of sit there for no apparent reason other than just to sit on the mantle. Okay, what do we think? Okay. Can you see? I love it. See, we'll have this, and then we'll have this. Oh, I made this too. But it's a totally separate video. So look. Oh, and then we'll have them all on here. I like it. I say we move forward. This is going to work. This is going to work. Okay. Let's do it again. So what we're going to do is put this two soft ones right here. Oh man, the whole thing came off. Okay, it wasn't a tragedy. Not quite. Okay, got that. Now we're going to do it again. We're going to put the little guy on there. We're going to stick it to his buddy first. That way it's a perfect match. Genius, I tell you. Okay. Then we're going to do it again. See? And okay. And let's see if they come off. They do. They come right off with it. Look, perfect. I'm so easily entertained by that. Just lovely. Okay. And do a couple more. Get 3 more. This is so easy and fun. Oh, you know what? And then I could have little sweaters for St. Patty's Day and for Easter. Oh, and Christmas we could do like little Santa Claus ones, or you know what? I think a candle sweater line is definitely in order. There's probably already one that exists, but we can make a new one. Okay, so we're gonna do this guy now and seal the deal. We'll call that sealing the deal. We're sealing the deal. These are so handy, these little Velcro dots. I need to buy a whole box of them, or a good quantity of them, because these are great, and they're pretty strong for their size too. Okay, and boom, boom. Okay, the last 2. And we're going to seal the deal. Seal the deal. Okay. And, this is great. I'm really happy about it. Okay. Look. I love it. We're going to go put it on the fireplace mantle and go see what it looks like. Okay. Okay, so I think that the candle sweater idea is totally a hit. I love it. My decoration area needs some more stuff. And we could probably move it around, make it look better. Overall, this project, success. Now, this guy can be moved here, there, we can move it around. Also, I'm working on this, a flower rose cone made out of paper roses, but it takes a long time. It takes a really long time to fill this thing up. But I think that if I have one of these, completely filled, of course, obviously, and then a larger one that goes maybe over to here, and then another one over here, then that would fill in some space. Maybe add a couple more things. We can redecorate. Maybe that guy goes back. No, we don't want to hide it because I like it. It's really cute. These are great. But I think we are well on our way to a Valentine's mantle, spending no money, just using things that I have already.